Hello again, it's Noob, and I got given this nice chunky bronze Yale quite some time ago. I think it's a Yale 870. It's a 67, I think, millimeter wide lock. It's a bit bigger than the 850. I checked all my videos because I picked a few of this aesthetic, and I haven't picked the 870 to my knowledge. If I have, well, you know, who doesn't like them anyway? So it's kind of cool. The bitting is, it's not flat. I think it's just well worn, so it looks flatter than it is. But we've got some mediums, high, medium, and then low at the end. And the keyway is not a classic Yale style keyway like this one. It's more of a restricted keyway. So yeah, it's probably for a suite of commercial locks. Works really well. The shackle obviously is hardened steel and had a chrome coating. It's a bit rusted, but the rest of the lock seems to be in very good and very well maintained condition. So let's throw this beautiful bronze Yale into a vise and see if we can't pick it. So here we are on the vise, and I think I'm going to try and pick this with two tools, a piece and gem and 18,000th, so it's nice and thin, and a bit of bent wiper blade, top of the keyway. The core doesn't move very much, it's quite tight tolerances there. And yeah, reminder of the key, there's that bitting with a very high set pin number 1 actually. I forgot to mention that earlier. It is a 6-pin lock, so yeah, nice bit of firm tension. Could pick off the bottom here or off the side boarding if I need to. So let's start with, oh, that's 5. So this is 6. Sorry, this is 5. Nice click off that. Good. A little click off 6. This is pin 1 now. Off the side warding. Not a click, but I felt it slide into place, I think. Let's go back to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 now. Checking these pins, that was 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to the back. So 6, 5, 4 now. 4, and we're open. There we go. So that felt like all standard pins. Nothing too remarkable there. Very cool lock, but and very nice looking. These Yales are really lovely, but not really much to it in terms of pick resistance. I imagine it was all standard pins. Yeah, pretty nice, but like I said, just not a very hard lock to pick. Although the feedback was muted due to its age and probably lots of dirt and grease on the inside, although it's quite well maintained for a lock. Anyway, if you like this lock or this video, please leave a like. If you have a comment, leave a comment below. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. And of course, I will see you all next time.